When it comes to managing your money, new apps and services are constantly popping up. You've probably heard of Afterpay, but what about Beforepay? They sound similar, but they actually serve two completely different purposes. Understanding the distinction is key to knowing which one is right for you. Afterpay is a buy now, pay later service. Think of it as a modern-day lay-by, but in reverse. When you're at a store, either online or in person, and you see the Afterpay option at checkout, you can use it to split your purchase into 4 equal payments. You pay the first installment right away, and the remaining 3 are automatically deducted every 2 weeks over the next 6 weeks. The big selling point? It's interest-free. As long as you make your payments on time, you won't pay any extra fees. It's designed for shopping and is a direct payment method at participating retailers. Beforepay, on the other hand, is a pay-on-demand service. It's not for a specific purchase at a specific store. Instead, Beforepay allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before your official payday. You link your bank account, and the app analyzes your income and spending patterns. Based on that, it gives you a cash advance, a lump sum of money, that goes directly into your bank account. You can use this money for anything you need, whether it's an unexpected bill, groceries, or a last-minute expense. The service charges a fixed transaction fee, typically around 5%, on the amount you advance. There are no other fees, no interest, and you pay it back on your next payday. So, here's the quick breakdown. Afterpay is for buying things. It's a point-of-sale financing tool that lets you break up a single purchase into smaller, manageable payments. Beforepay is for accessing cash. It's a way to get a portion of your salary early to cover any financial gap before your next paycheck arrives. Afterpay is about spending smarter on things you want or need right now, while Beforepay is about giving you liquidity when you need it most. They may sound alike, but they're built for entirely different financial situations.